do the intro.
No.
What? No,
Why do we need an intro?
Hello, it's John.
We need one more person.
PP.
PP! Where did
What?
PP joined?
Oh, fuck, I was playing Minecraft, hold on.
Oh my gosh, this dude. Someone create a group chat for the aliens.
Someone created a
Good job for the aliens. Half the time you can't even. I know who it is.
Mine is awesome. Mine is actually perfect. You guys will know I'm not the alien. I'm more scream
A
time.
yoga class. And
A yoga class?
Nice. Yoga.
Yeah.
Your
These
cast.
are all pretty, like, normal. Hey, stop fucking alien me.
Look, the little thing at the bottom is a yoga mat, and she's stretching her leg up and pointing her. It's like yoga.
It looks like
Yeah,
she's holding
oh,
prosthetic legs.
I see it now. Okay.
Well, okay,
Like
well,
holding a
yeah, the
prosthetic
leg
leg.
is kind of detached from the body, but that's just
Not
a
actually, that's for hip.
What the hell, thick milk?
I like Battle for Team Island as well.
Oh my god, Thick Milk
You
is
disagree with everyone
Oh
else?
my gosh, thick
Alien.
If you have a different opinion than everyone else, you're an alien, bro. You're not human. You're crusty. You're the alien.
Use. Yo, I just noticed there's a cat there.
Press
Yo,
enter,
look
I
at that
pressed enter too early.
If I had a robot, I would use it too.
If I had a robot, I would
What the heck? I pressed
Damn,
enter too
You having trouble peeing, Julian?
Can't be without a robot.
Alright, so we know who 3 of the aliens are.
I am John.
No, Isaac wants to do it and PP wants to do it. So, Julian, hurry up! Oh my God.
Julian.
Mind test? I approve.
Okay. Who's?
I'm so what?
Wait, what?
What is happening?
What?
I have the prompt.
What? I clicked all the people.
What?
Clicked all the people.
Why'd you click everyone?
I'm drawing so Rick knows
I
me as
didn't
well.
know. I mean the people.
I
was
didn't
gonna
know. What are you doing, bro? You're crying.
Julian, come on!
Click the people.
Everything was just fine until nobody got
Knowing yourself.
You're a cool person.
You're a cool person, not thick. What?
Wait, what?
What?
Scared? He's scared. What the hell?
Discord? What?
My Discord doesn't work. It's like stuck.
Funny to use opinion.
By the way, all of this is distracting me from my comet dodging duties.
Verb was tested 22
I
times.
said 22 times.
How did Verb get tested 22 times? Oh my god.
You didn't say that.
We have a.
I go.
Like,
I think it says 22 times because I pressed submit like a bunch.
A movie that should be made into a Broadway.
What the fuck? I was hacked. No, I was hacked. No, what the fuck? I don't know what that
Wait,
I like
what
I
are the
was hacked.
responses?
I was
I can't. Oh my god, no. My phone.
I don't know, man. I like The Incredibles.
wait, really?
PPP.
No, 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 no,
No,
no.
no, 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 no,
No,
no.
no, 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 no,
I
no.
go hack. I go hack. I go hack.
Broccoli.
It's a raw vegetable.
Wait,
Draw
the first one also just looks
self-portrait.
like trees. The first one looks like trees.
That's just wholesome.
I literally said at the start what it says.
Oatmeal's definitely
Alright.
Human.
I was gonna press. So what the fuck?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
of course the alien.
Watch
had
it
to
be
push
Julian, watch it be
Everyone
Julian like it
disagrees.
always is. It's gonna be Julian like it always has been.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said P and then nothing.
I need to know.
Can we test
I
Julian?
couldn't write for one of them.
Can we test Julian? Can we test Julian one more time? Can we test Julian one more time?
Guys,
Yeah, can we- yeah, let's take
Isaac-
Yeah, that's just it.
Yeah, because like he is the one that pressed the button.
Now do
Yeah,
not
yeah.
Yeah.
members.
Alright, someone that's
When it-
not an alien, press the button.
Alright.
Okay, let me press the button.
No, not PP. PP, you're an alien, bro.
I'll test you. No.
PP!
Oh my god.
Alright.
Peep.
Got the option now. Alright.
We're supposed to Julian!
Why is this game so slow? We actually broke the game.
And there we go.
That's a good tile.
I don't know. I don't know.
Are we doing this? I don't know how I feel. I'm kind of sad. I don't know.
No, I
You're trying to rush
no,
him,
I
huh?
don't know.
You both trying to rush him. Isaac, what the hell? You wasted my vote.
anal probe thing in the.
What the
Wait, you
hell?
saw the hack button? That means you're the alien.
No.
Feel.
Feel.
What the heck?
Yo, I'm voting too.
I was hacked. The question was like, fuck off. My question even.
My button.
Can I press the button?
Yes. Yes, press the button.
Yeah,
Okay.
press the button. Nicer.
I'm trying. Oh, hold the access. Are you sure? Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Isaac finally pressed it.
Yeah.
I'm intrigued. Shut up, bro.
You have 30 seconds.
Okay, two. I think this one.
Crust.
I don't know who else.
PP.
Julian.
It's not me. Jeez, bro. It's Julian.
Oh my god, it's not me.
I don't know.
Wait a minute. No, put PP.
I was hacked.
Oh my god, Isaac. Oh, man.
It's Julian.
Yes.
Oh my god. You
Yes,
have literally no time to stress. Yes. Come on, just do it.
It's not me, it's Julian, but okay, buddies.
No, okay, I don't know. I feel like.
Fuck! Oh my. Okay, nope. That's those are.
Did the
How do we
ball
make
pass?
it
Oh,
move?
okay.
It was Julian.
That's not right. That's
It was
not
Julian.
It wasn't Julian.
It sucks. I hate this game.
Oh
You
my
guys
god.
Of course.
dumb.
Of course.
I told you.
I
told you.
yes.
I told you.
Yes, I'm
This
literally
might be the
crossing right
first time
now.
the humans have ever won a game.
A shit liar.
Verb was tested 22 times. We were sure it wasn't him. Oh my god.
Three
You're
of
being
you are
toxic.
secretly aliens.
I like us Bishop, it's cool.
Please give me advice and confirm your identity.
I am a human.
Alright, you are
I am-
human. Figure out
I
who
am-
in your
I'm an alien.
Too bad,
In
too
my
bad.
calculations, you will have
Guys,
15 minutes before I
I'm
cease to
alien.
be, so I'd appreciate it if
You're an
you
alien?
know
Hi,
who
alien.
aliens are.
It's me, Julian.
Push the button.
Push the button.
push the button.
Oh, you heard him. Push the button already.
Push the
Alright,
button,
I'm
guys.
pushing it.
Push the button.
Push the button right now. Okay, who is it? Who is the alien?
Alright,
It's like most blue button, Julian.
What? No, it's not me.
It's actually.
Okay,
just took
yeah.
one to the left.
Reverb and
alright. Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
I
that's
agree.
it.
I agree, this is it.
Yep.
I agree. Yeah.
This is it. This is it.
Yeah.
Hey,
Come on up, Mel.
Am I
No,
on?
no, I'm not an alien. What the heck?
Yeah, it's oatmeal.
Oh, Mel, come
It's
on.
All the aliens.
It's on me.
Oatmeal, just say yes.
There we go.
Okay.
No.
Imagine.
No, I'm not an alien.
Imagine.
I'm not an
I just
alien.
did the first three people. I just did the first three people.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We were so close.
Listen.
We were so close.
I said it. Are you retarded? Oh
No. Should we?
Alright.
Oh my, we actually recorded an Aloha King video. We actually did it. Oh my god.